Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily create your own AI models using a free tool called Human Generator. Human Generator allows anyone to generate realistic synthetic humans and characters. Whether you need a model for a video game, advertisement, or any other project, this tool has you covered. The best part is that it's 100% free. Let me walk you through how to use it. First, go to human-generator.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the site, click Create Human Free to get started. It allows generating hyper-realistic yet synthetic humans in a few clicks for ads, games, media, and other creative projects. Next, you can choose from a variety of model templates based on age, gender, ethnicity, etc. Or you can create a fully custom model by entering text prompts. This is where you can really tap into your creativity. From there, customize your model to your heart's content. Change the hair, eyes, skin tone, outfits, everything. Add accessories, pick ideal backgrounds, and make them look exactly how you want. The possibilities are endless. You can generate models for video game characters, digital avatars, concept art, advertisements, stock photos, anything you can imagine. The advanced tools even let you upload a photo and transform it by adding muscle, changing facial features, and more. So you can turn yourself into a superhero. Just upload a photo and try six-pack abs, mighty biceps, or even a brand new look. So that's a quick overview of how Human Generator allows anyone to create their own AI models with just a few clicks. It's an incredibly powerful tool that makes generating lifelike humans as easy as can be. Definitely give it a try for your next project. Just head to human-generator.com and click Create Human Free to get started. Let me know in the comments if you end up using it. I'd love to see what kinds of creative models you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Safe and see you next time.